No wonder there are so many options on the screen.
Take pictures of the sky?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it. I'm the one that took it down so I could light it up.
Okay, cool. I was gonna do it.
Yeah. It gives me a little bit of light to work with on here. Oh, that was a good one. Good little flash. Not seeing too many bolts, mainly just light in the distance.
Remember you're sitting in the metal.
I know. Sitting around a bunch of metal, but I'm on I'm on concrete.
You're in a metal chair though.
Yeah.
And if that lightning hits it,
I'll get superpowers.
and your elbows are on it, guess what? You're a fried.
No, I'll get superpowers. Maybe. I'll have a chair stuck in my ass. That looks better. Nope, light did not affect it. Light don't affect it for shit. Oh, that was cool. What?
My windows?
I'll put them up. Just give me a minute or three. Damn, that's cool. Fireworks. Oh, and lightning. I won't be able to see the fireworks on here. What was that? Ah, damn it, I missed that. Oh, that was good. Ooh, that was bright. So freaking fireworks. I almost want to try to get that on video. Wow. Ah! Mosquito! My ear. Oh, that was cool. Like God just shit lightning. That's beautiful. Who should I send it to first? I'll send it, buddy. Oh, wow. God's farting lightning. God's farts. Wow, there's a lot of lightning actually. Much more than we get in Washington. More. Oh, that was cool. A lot brighter on my phone. What shot? What shot? Can't talk. Damn mosquitoes. What song should I tape over this? I think I Love a Rainy Night's 5 minutes. That less? More? Maybe? I don't fucking know. Oh, that was cool. That struck just some, just a firework went off. People are firing fireworks and God's firing them right back. Except his are a bit more deadly. Not much thunder. We're computing. Oh, video.